Transferring money with fidor Bank can be simple and efficient if you use the right method. Among the various options, the fastest and most reliable method is using fidor Bank's internal transfer system through their app or online banking platform. Once you log into your account, you can initiate a transfer directly to another fidor account. These internal transfers are instant, meaning the recipient receives the funds immediately, with no delays and no additional fees. For transfers to other banks within Germany or across the Eurozone, fidor Bank supports SEPA transfers. These are secure and widely accepted, but unlike internal transfers, they can take 1 to 2 business days to process. To make a SEPA transfer, enter the recipient's IBAN and the transfer amount in the app. The fidor platform clearly shows any associated fees, which are generally low, often around 50 cents to €1 and 50 cents for standard transfers. For transfers in dollars, fidor Bank converts using their current exchange rate, which is competitive compared to traditional banks. Another practical method for sending funds is via fidor Pay, the bank's digital payment solution. This allows instant transfers to other fidor users and partners using only the recipient's phone number or email. This method bypasses the traditional banking process, eliminating delays and ensuring the transfer is almost immediate. For larger transactions or recurring payments, setting up scheduled transfers in fidor Bank's system is efficient. This allows automatic transfers at set intervals, ensuring you never miss a payment. Fidor Bank also supports external services like Wise or PayPal for cross-border transfers in dollars, offering favorable exchange rates and faster delivery times than standard bank-to-bank transfers. Using these methods effectively ensures your money moves quickly, securely, and at minimal cost. Among all, internal transfers and fidor Pay stand out as the fastest and most convenient ways to send money within the fidor ecosystem or internationally in dollars.